single conductors are primarily used in conduit, cable tray, duct banks, and direct burial installations. Service wire is dual rated 600 volt to 1 kV thermoset XHHW-2, USC-2, and RHW-2 is available in 14 gauge through 750 Kcmil copper or tinned copper. All cables 1/0 and larger are CT rated. ServicePRO-X is available and stocked in a wide range of industry standard colors, including 480 volt brown, orange, yellow, and gray, commonly used in wastewater treatment facilities. Additionally, conductors can be striped or numbered by request. But the most important benefit of using ServicePRO-X single conductors is the modern XLP cross-link polyethylene insulation. It does not require pulling lubricant, reduces pulling resistance during installation, and it is easier to strip than traditional cross-link products, all without the added slimy residue. Plus, XLPE or cross-link polyethylene products can better withstand harsh environments, ensuring a longer cable life than PVC or nylon alternatives. In fact, a majority of wastewater treatment facilities use XLPE insulated XHHW-2, USC-2, or RHW-2 over thermoplastic products like THHN or THWN-2.